Are you listening? Damn.
Okay, what's up guys? It's your boy Verly, and today mayroon tayong pupuntahan na resort dito sa Zamboanga City, and it will be the West Palm Resort. Ay, mali. It is located sa Labuan, Zamboanga City, and time check tayo, it's 6:30 AM. Maaga tayo kasi medyo malayo yon. Kaya this vlog is about that. Laag natin sa West Palm. Bye-bye! Bumaba muna kami para mag-register. Lagyan na kami ng wristband para at least sure na we are booked. Enjoy namin yung araw to kasi it's weekend, and kung weekend alam niyo na kailangan natin mag-relax. So, let's go guys. Sa labas to ng West Palm eh. We're here to enjoy the weekend. Ay, napakaganda dito guys kung gusto nyo pumunta. Napaka-solid ng lugar. Ito sa labas lang to eh. Gusto kong ma-explore yung outside. Mas maganda kasi yung natural way. Pero maganda din sa loob. Na guys, sana. Ito na ba ang sign? O, yun o. Dagat yun o. Okay. So, tara. Let's try the slide nila dito. Tingnan natin kung kaya natin ito. Go! So yun guys, what I like what is meron silang assist talaga sa sa parking, kaya maganda talaga yung services dito sa West Palm. Observation ko dito na which is very commendable, it's because organized siya and good customer service. That's why I really recommend West Palm Resort, hindi lang sa facilities ng resort but also the services. Napaka top tier. Thumbs up para sa management ng West Palm Resort. Kaya kung gusto mong pumunta guys, pumunta na kayo dito, mag-i-enjoy kayo. And napakasulit ng inyong pera once you go here. It's me, Verly. Bye-bye!